What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Harry Potter. We'll begin today's lesson by drawing two large circles for the glasses in the center of the page. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top and go all the way around towards the bottom and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height and then back up. Now I want to connect these circles in the center with a curve. Step up and draw that again. And we'll fill that center area in black. Now let's trace these circles along the inside. Just leaving a thin trim going all the way around. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we want to fill that trim in black. Now with the glasses in place, let's draw two smaller circles pulled in for the pupils. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's line that up on the right side. And then along the top of each pupil, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom area in black. Now we're going to move to the center, draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve. We're going to come down, then up, step up and draw a short curve, going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to step down and draw on the mouth. Start with another curve on the middle, add a bracket on the ends. I'm going to step down and draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's draw the end of the frame. On the left side, we're going to draw a square, going out, down and in, fill that area in black. Now let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now from here we're going to draw the lower half of the head. Starting underneath, curves down, go across in the middle underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up. Let's go back over toward the left side. We're going to draw the edge of the hair, bend this up, then in, brush the hair coming down in between the glasses, bend this up. Let's add another point. Coming down towards the right, go up, step down, add another curve, step down again, just bend this out and then down. Now right in this area, you're going to add that lightning bolt. From the top, coming down an angle, go up and then down. I'm just going to trace this along the inside. Now we're going to go back to the side of the head. We're going to layer the hair on top of the ears, bend this out and then up. And we'll tuck the ears in underneath. Starting back on the left, goes around and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, go to the inside and add a hook. Now we're going to go back to this point, go all the way up towards the top of the head, add another point. Let's brush the hair over toward the left. We start with a point going up and then out. Then it's in, go all the way around the outside and then down, then it's up and in, and come down and then in towards the ear. Let's go back up to the top, and it's up and brush it out towards the right, pull this down, go all the way around and down towards the right side. We're going to add another point, bring this around the side of the head, and then in towards the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body, starting with the scarf. We're going to start right in the center, go straight down, go over towards the right, and then go straight up. Let's layer the scarf in underneath the neck. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this down in the middle, go in behind, bend this up towards the right. Now we want to add some stripes. We're going to add two lines going across. Now along this bottom, I'm just going to add 4 lines coming down to separate the tassels. Let's add some stripes across the center of the scarf. Now we're going to open up the coat underneath. So we're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line coming down. Let's go underneath the scarf on the right, come down towards the same height. Bend the coat going out and then up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to draw a straight angle line, going up and then in. Let's go halfway down the coat, right here, add a curve. Step down and draw that again. Now I'm going to add the edge of the sweater. Up here, coming down and then up like a V. Trace that along the inside. We're going to go back to the center of the body. Step down, add a curve. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Bend this down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left, curve the foot going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. And I'm just going to curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the coat and draw the outside of the leg. Bend this out and then down. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now underneath the scarf on the right side, I'm going to see the edge of the crest. So we're going to go straight out, bend this down, and then pull that up. Now we move out to the side and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the wand. We're going to start underneath the scarf, bend this down and out towards the wrist. Now I want to curl around the thumb. I'm going to go up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the wand. Start from the side of the thumb, we draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw another one, going up under the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Let's layer the wand in behind the hand. Starting from the bottom finger, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down, flatten this off. Now I want to follow this all the way up towards the top. We're going to go longer towards the top of the wand, and then flatten that off. Now I want to draw the sleeve of the coat. Start from the wrist, bend this in, and then out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the hand, curve the palm. I'm just going to wrap the sleeve underneath the hand. From the bottom of this curve, bend the arm coming up and in behind the body. Now let's go over towards the right side. We'll start at the same height. From the scarf, we're going to bend this out and then down to right about there. Bend the sleeve coming in towards the body. Now I want to tuck the hand in underneath, so we're going to start with the thumb with a half circle. Add a bracket on the end. You're going to wrap 3 fingers around and back up underneath the sleeve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Harry Potter. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.